Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to block adult content from Play Store on your children's Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Play Store. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on your profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to the settings. Then next thing you need to do is to go to family right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to parental control. So it's going to take you right here. From your own hand, if you have not enabled parental control, make sure you turn on this button. And once you click on turn on this button, you'll be asked to create an access pin, which is just 4 digits number. Create an access pin and then come back here and turn this on. Once you turn this on, you will be able to modify the type of content you want your children to have access to on their Google Play Store. And for you to block any adult content, so what you need to do is to simply click on here, games and apps. Then the pin you use to create the parental control, enter the pin. Then click on OK, and you will have access to parental content. So right here, you can decide which of these apps your children can have access to. So 3 plus here, 7 plus here, 12 plus, 16 plus, and 18 plus. Now you can simply choose. So let's, for instance, I want my child to have access to 12 plus. So we have to simply click on 12 plus, and then it's going to be selected. Once you restrict, so once you select it, it means that you have restricted them from having access to any content above 16 to 18 plus. So once you restrict them, next thing you need to do is to simply click on save. Then after click on save, you can simply go back, and right here also you come to books. So click on books, then restrict sexually explicit books. So what you need to do is to simply click on this box right here, and this is going to pump up. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on got it right here, and this box here is going to tick. Next thing you need to do is simply click on save, and you are done. It's as simple as that. So your children will not have access to any adult content in Google Play Store on their Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.